In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Spotify in Framer. We'll walk through adding a Spotify-style audio player to a Framer project, placing it exactly where you want, styling it so it fits your layout, and then publishing the update. Start by opening your project in Framer. At the top of the editor, open the Insert panel. If it collapses after the first click, click Insert again so you can see all the available categories. In the panel, open Media, then choose Audio. Move your cursor over the canvas and click to place the new audio layer where you'd like it to live. With the audio layer selected, look to the right-hand inspector. Open Position to confirm where it's anchored, then open Size. Switch the sizing controls from their default to Fixed so you get predictable dimensions. Try the available fixed options and pick the one that best matches your design. You'll see the player snap to cleaner proportions. If it isn't fitting quite right yet, repeat that toggle between the fixed options until it lands the way you expect. Now, fine-tune its placement. Use the on-canvas handles to nudge the player into alignment with nearby elements, and use the inspector's layout controls to refine spacing. A few small adjustments here. Alignment, spacing, and constraints will make the player feel intentional in your layout. If you're working within a responsive frame, make sure those constraints look correct so the player stays put as the canvas scales. Scroll further in the inspector. Open Cursor. If you want to control how the pointer behaves when hovering the player, the default is fine for most cases. Then open Styles. In the list of available styles or presets, choose Spotify. This applies the familiar Spotify look to the audio component. If you see a toggle for this setting, switch it from off to on so the style is active. If your page uses a scroll section, click that section to confirm the audio layer is inside the correct area of your page. This ensures it scrolls and behaves the way you intend within your layout. Open code overrides as well, just to review that there's nothing in place that would change the player's behavior for this layer. When everything looks good, it's time to share your changes. Click Publish at the top of the editor, then click Update to push the latest version live. That's it. Your Framer page now features a Spotify-styled audio player, positioned, sized, and styled to match your design, and published for everyone to enjoy.